The next law of the universe that we're talking about today is the law of attraction. And what does this law state? It states that like attracts like. You attract what you consistently align with, not what you wish for, not what you say, what you repeatedly think, feel. Those are the things that you attract. Now, it's important that we understand this law because a lot of people say things like, "Oh, I want a good job," but now you start hearing things like, "Oh, there's no good job in Nigeria. The economy is so terrible. There's never a good job." Now, what you want and what you keep on thinking and feeling, they do not align. And so you keep on asking yourself, why don't I get this job? Now, an example of this thing happened when I was in the university. I started to learn the guitar and I bought mine. Now, when I bought the guitar, I started to notice a lot of people with guitar. And now the question is, did they buy the guitar at the same time that I bought mine? And the answer is no. What happened with the guitar is not that people suddenly went out to buy guitars when I bought mine. What happened is this: my attention shifted. Right before I decided to learn the guitar, those guitars already existed around me. I just wasn't tuned to them. The moment I bought one, my mind tagged guitars as relevant. So my brain started filtering reality differently. Same world, different focus. Now here is how this connects to the law of like this is how the law of attraction comes into this. Attraction does not always mean that things appear. No, 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 no. Sometimes it just means that things become visible. They were there before, but when you start to apply the law of attraction, things become visible. When something matters to you, your awareness expands in that direction. You notice people, conversations, opportunities, information that were already there, but previously you ignored them. That's attraction at work. And the reason why a lot of people misunderstand this law is that they think that attraction is the universe adding something to their life. No, oftentimes it is just the universe revealing things that were already present. Once your attention and interest and behavior lines up, you start to see them. With the guitar, I became more interested. I paid attention. I noticed patterns. I engaged more. That's the attraction that we're talking about here. So when you consistently focus on, you start to recognize it. And what you recognize, you start to move towards that thing. And what you move towards, you eventually experience it. So you need to start paying attention to your thoughts, to your feelings, the things that is constantly running through your head, because they are very, very, very important and critical to you experiencing the life that you actually want to live. I hope that this makes sense to you. I'm happy to take any questions in the comments, but if you have any questions, just leave them there. I'll see you tomorrow for the next law of the universe, law number 4. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you do not miss any of these laws. I'll see you tomorrow.